Hello, everyone. Welcome to the 10-Minute Bookkeeping Series, your express route to mastering the art of bookkeeping in just 10 episodes, each a quick 10-minute burst of knowledge. So, what's on our agenda? We're taking you on a journey through the entire bookkeeping process, from analyzing transactions, recording them using debits and credits, posting them to a ledger, to preparing financial statements, and closing an accounting period. Here's the breakdown. Episode 1 will get you cozy with 6 bookkeeping fundamentals, including assets, liabilities, equity, revenues, expenses, and dividends. Episodes 2 and 3 will be your guides into the fascinating realm of recording transactions. Get ready for transaction analysis, journal entries, and ledger postings. Episodes 4 to 7 will help you dive deeper into accounting for basic business activities. You'll master the art of recording daily operating, investing, and financing activities. Episodes 8 and 9 will unleash your editing skills on financial information. Balance sheets, income statements, and statements of cash flows are on the menu. You'll also learn to close temporary accounts. Episode 10 is a mini case project, which is your chance to show you've aced the bookkeeping game. But how do you take on this thrilling series? It's not just watching, it's hands-on action. Here are 3 engaging ways to apply your newfound bookkeeping prowess. 1. In-video challenges. Keep an eye out for the mountain icon. It's your cue to hit pause and tackle the accounting challenge yourself. 2. Episode practice. Each episode comes with exercises, your training ground to refine those skills. 3. Final project. It's the epic accounting quest that showcases what you've learned. And guess what? All the practices for this exciting journey are just a click away in the materials section. Download them, gear up, and let's embark on this exhilarating bookkeeping adventure.